This is 2015 Chevy Cruze, and today it's a nice day to do this leak. It's a bit wet, so I'm gonna disconnect it and do redneck connection. I got this part from Amazon, so I'm just gonna use this metal nipple instead of the plastic one, because that's where the always leak. Bought a heater hose, 5/8. That's gonna go hopefully. That's gonna fit on this nipple hopefully, and on the other end I bought this hose barb, 3/8. That's the thing that's gonna go in this and connect it to the small hose. So this is how it looks like, and we're gonna cut this one here, about here, and put it on this. So this is metal piece in there, that's another metal piece, this is heater hose, so there should be no more leaks. So here's the final product. Well, so inside here there is a new metal part attached to this hose, and metal connection here attached to the small hose. So that should take care of that. Hopefully I don't have to fix this every year. 2015 Cruze. Same thing with the valve cover. I put a metal valve cover so it doesn't smoke. There's no more oil leak.